Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my beautiful 2024 BMW 1250 GSA. So I recently installed Denali Light package. This is D7 Pros, this is D4, and I have T3 and a B6 as a brake light and turn signals, and also Soundbomb horn. This is all running on one CANsmart. So I'll show the connections, how I did all the connections, but I'm not going to show how to remove and put together the fairings. So I'll post another link in the video. So this guy, he did a really good job removing and putting back together the bike, right? So these D7s are configured in a way where inside LEDs are turn signals, and outer ring is a running light, or you can use it as a high beam. So these D7s and D4s are running at 30% as running lights and 100% as a high beam. So I'll show you how I configured these lights. So these D4s don't come on until I turn on the bike. And they're at 30%, right? And left turn signal, right turn signal, and the four ways. And this is high beam. And I will also show how it works in the back. So this is B6 and T3s, a set. So one on the left, one on the right. And these are running lights right now. And I'll show you how it performs when you get a turn signal. They're gonna turn amber. And look at that. So they're really bright, really bright. I need to maybe turn down. Right now they're running at 50%. Maybe I need to go like 20 or 30%. But they have dual function, so they are running lights, a brake light, and their turn signals, the T3s. So one thing I like to mention, guys, you might want to go get a fiberglass stick that is used to pull wires. This will make things a lot easier. So you see where the wires are coming from. So I use this stick and put it through, and it comes out of here, right here. And you just tie the wires up with a tape and just pull it through one by one. So it'll make it a lot easier. All right, to the connections now. So this is CANsmart, and I labeled all the wires. So this is, for example, left center, D7 left center. This is B6 brake light. This is D7 outer LEDs, and this blue one is right center. So I mean, it's a good thing to label. So same thing over here. So the wires are going through here, and I didn't even take this out. I mean, I just this whole part, I didn't even take this out. I just fished the wire through one by one. And this is Soundbomb, and this is a harness. I mean, I'll post a link in the description. And Soundbomb compressor, and the horn is right under here. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, right there. So it works out really well. The only problem is that you have to be very patient with this when you're pulling these wires through. It's really crammed up here. I mean, I just had to take these 1, 2, and 4 screws out of here and just lift the tank up, and the wires are right under here. You can notice that right under here. They're nicely going up front, and this compressor tube is coming back down here, and the connection, and they're all tied up over here. right in front of the gas tank. But of course, you're gonna have to take all this out. I mean, I'll post a video, like I said, in the description. So this guy did a really nice job, you know, taking these fairing out. But I mean, it's really good idea to label this. I mean, these ones are the turn signals, T3 turn signals. I mean, they look a little messy, but they're very easy to do. And this one is for quad lock. So it is connected directly to the battery, and it's over here. But I mean, I'll post the map of these connections. The right, blue, red. So all these connections. I mean, they look a little messy, but actually they're not because there are a lot of wires. All right, the Soundbomb is connected through the harness with the battery, and connected directly with the horn, the OEM horn, right over here. Right here, I don't know if you can see it. This wire, this Soundbomb harness wire is coming through and connected. Do not, I repeat, do not remove this wiring from the OEM horn, because they said it'll give you an error on the screen. But connected through, I don't know if you can see that, right over here. I mean, the wire is going through, and I use those connectors to connect it through. So it works really. So when you press this horn, when you press the button horn, it will sound both horns. But of course, Soundbomb is louder. You'll hear that the most. But do not connect this. I mean, just connect it through. I mean, you'll see the connection. The instructions are with the Soundbomb. So once you remove this fairing, you'll reveal the horn, OEM horn wiring. So you connect the harness, the Soundbomb harness, which is this one, with the OEM horn. Do not remove the OEM horn wiring, because it'll give you an error on the screen. So just they're gonna both work together, and then this wire will come down here, through here, into the battery compartment.